Janet Armenta, and my team is Maribel Agüero, Ana Victoria Lendo, Marco Delgado, and Emiliano Martinez. And we are going to explain our calculator. First of all, we are going to explain the total amount calculator. In this example, we have a principal amount 800, and for our interest rate, 15%. And here we have the information that we have the promise to pay the amount in 1 year. So we are going to put 12 months. We have a lot of options like semester, annual, quarter, and things like that. So we're going to put 12 months, and there is a way to use this calculator.
The second calculator is interest. To use this calculator, it's necessary to put the values that are requested. In this example, the principal amount is of 18,000, an interest rate of 13%, and 18 months of time. So we have the interest on months is 3,510. And here with say months, it's necessary to change the time given to the problem. For example, the second example is that 3,500 is the principal amount, an interest rate of 9%, and 30 days in exact method. So we have that the interest in days with exact method is 28.48.
So then we have the annual interest rate calculator, and it's as the same as Emiliano's calculator. So first you put in order your numbers. So we have here 20,000, and then 21,460. And then as you can see in the problem, you have like 1 year, and we can choose any options of that we have. And we are gonna use now the semester, and we know that in a year we have 2 semesters. That gives us a result of 7.3%. And in the second one, the interest rate, we have an amount of 21,445 and an interest rate of 3,000, 860, and it gives us 3 years. And we know that in a quarter we have 3 quarters in a year, so 3 multiplied by 3, we have a result as 9, and that gives us a 64% of interest rate quarter.
Now with the principal amount part of the calculator, we have 3 different equations. The first one is amount minus the interest, and we have some examples to explain how to use it. The first example said that we have $2,000 and an interest of $1,000, and our amount will be $190. And in the second example, we have another formula that is interest over interest rate times term. In this part, we can change our term like in a year, semester, quarter, etc. But in this example, ask us for 12 days in ordinary method, and with an interest rate of 10% and an interest of $1. And in the third example, we have another formula that is amount over 1 times interest rate times term. And as same as the other chart, we can change our term if we want in months, semesters, annual, etc. But in this case, ask for 24 months, an interest rate of 10%, and an amount of $10.
Last but not least, we have the term calculator. In here, it's necessary to fill with the data what the calculator requests. And depending on whether you want, determine years, semesters, days, etc. Well, in here we used 2 formulas. The first one was term equal interest over principal amount times rate, interest rate, and the second one was term equal amount over principal amount minus 1 over interest rate. For the first example, we have the 10 of interest, 1 of principal amount, 100% of interest rate, and that give us 40 of a quarter. Then for the second example, we have 2,000 for the amount, 1,000 thousand for the principal amount, then the interest rate 100%, and that give us 2 in the semester.
And after all this, we can conclude that this calculator could be used like in business companies or in banks, or also in our daily life when we ask for money and we have to know how much are the percentage, or how can we calculate what will be our final amount, or cases like that. It's more like is more useful when we talk about money or loan money. And that will be all. Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Teacher.